For this repair, we will be performing a front side weld first. Grind a V-groove along the crack using a rotary tool. Weld a pass of polypropylene along the V-groove using R0201 welding rod, then another using R0207 ribbon. Smooth using the airless plastic welder. It's possible that it could fall subject to sagging around the weld due to pressure and weight. If this is the case, you might want to push upward on the weld with a gloved hand and then force cool with clean, compressed air. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Remove the aluminum tape and staples from the underside of the first weld. Then grind V-grooves and weld the underside just as you had on top. Again, the weld may begin to sag slightly, and the type of sag can vary from one repair to the next. Here, we used a razor knife to push up an area that was slightly out of line. Finish the underside weld by capping the crack with a T for additional structural support. Use R0208 90-degree corner welding rod to reinforce the flanges, as you see us doing here. Then repeat this underside repair on the opposite end. If at any point you find that the flanges need to be flattened due to misshapen plastic or excess welding rod, you may use a hand seamer to do so, as we did here. If that situation arises, you might want to apply an additional pass of plastic after using the seamer. After the welds have cooled completely, use a rotary tool to scuff the weld area on the front, and then feather using 80 grit sandpaper on a DA sander. Continue by hand before finishing with 120 grit sandpaper on a DA sander. Repeat this process on both ends of the front side. This bumper is now ready to be primed and painted.